quickly, let's go through a few little things here I carry with me all the time, usually. Few different manufacturers, it just depends. Sometimes I carry a firearm, sometimes I do not. It just depends. Always, always check your laws, rules, and regulations. And don't show it off. All because you can have an open carry does not mean you should. And for you experienced people, you know what I'm talking about. First aid kit, your standard first aid kit. I need to modify that. Get everything out of here that I carry. Now that's just me. Writing tablet, flashlight, knife, ferrocerium rod, matches, lighter, first aid kit. Okay, that's that one. Incidentally, this bag is over 40 years old. It's seen better times, but it's seen a lot of times. Alrighty. Portable radio, weather radio, AM, FM, solar powered, hand crank for power to charge your cell phone. Good attachments, plastic bag, charger for the cell phone since we are in a hotel, and sanitizer. You can also use this to start fires. You think, what am I going to do, start a fire? No, 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 no. Like I said, what happens if you get upon a situation where you're in the woods, you break down on the road, you're going to need something. Medicine. Alright. One thing here. Let's say things get really bad. Well, those of you who've been in the military, you know what that is. Oh yeah. That will do the job, if necessary. Again, is this video for entertainment purposes? No, it's for educational purposes, just in case you need it. Later. Okay, one last thing. I come to my super old bag. Now, all the zippers. I have cordage on there. This is 21 inches of cordage. It's looped around. If I need it for anything at all, I have it. It's just one setup of many hundreds and hundreds that are out there. And just in case, cold steel GI Tonto. There you go. There's the basics right there. Yours will differ because if you plan to go into a rural area or even in a suburban area or even into the big city, you may have to have wire cutters with you, a Silcott key, all kinds of things. This is just the bare minimum. Thank you very much for watching, and that should answer some of your questions. Don't forget a good pair of gloves too.